Meaning of innovatory.
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 Innovatory. The word innovatory is not a commonly used word. It is likely a variation or misspelling of the more common word innovative. Both words suggest something new or different from what has been done before, but innovatory is not recognized as a standard English word by most dictionaries. In general, communication is more effective when standard English words and phrases are used to express ideas clearly and effectively. Therefore, it is recommended to use innovative instead of innovatory in order to avoid unnecessary confusion or misunderstanding.